Hello, welcome to today's tutorial. Let's jump straight to the next problem. A team of 5 college students earned a net profit of $486 in a single day selling t-shirts on campus. If the profit is split equally among each team member, how much will each student receive? So in this problem, we need to perform division. We simply need to divide $486 by 5. So let's use long division to accomplish this. So how many times does 5 go into 48? 5 doesn't go into 4, so we need to see how many times 5 go into 48. To find the answer, it's helpful to make a list of the multiples of 5. I'm going to go up to 50. So 5 times 1 is 5, 5 times 2 is 10, 5 times 3 is 15, and so forth. 5. Well, we need to find the highest multiple of 5 just under 48. And this is 45. So 5 goes into 48 9 times. So we're going to put a 9 here. 5 times 9 is 45. And then we're going to subtract the two numbers. 48 minus 45 is 3. And then we're going to bring down the 6. Now, how many times is 5 going to 36? The highest multiple of 5 just under 36 is 35. So 5 goes into 36 7 times. 5 times 7 is 35. And then we need to subtract. 36 minus 35 is 1. Now 5 doesn't go into 1, so what we need to do is add a 0. So we need to add a decimal point as well. We're going to treat this as if it's 10, even though it's 1.0. So let's put a decimal point there. How many times does 5 go into 10? 5 goes into 10 2 times. So 5 goes into 1.0 0.2 times. 5 times 0.2 is 1. And now we have a remainder of 0. So 486 divided by 5 is 97.2. So this means that each person, each team member, should receive $97.20. See you in the next lesson.